Hello hackers, welcome back again to another interesting video. In this video, we're gonna dive deep into the future of hacking. So you all know that how AI and artificial intelligence is becoming the trend of our tech industry as well as the ethical hacking and cybersecurity field. That's why it's also important for us to be familiar with or to be acquainted with AI tools. So I hope you all are and little much familiar with AI tools such as ChatGPT and OpenAI or Microsoft Copilot, Meta Llama AI, etc. But wait, that AI tools which you were using before, such as ChatGPT or any other AI tools that were on the basically web browser, right? Or that's the interesting part of the video where in this video we're gonna learn or we're gonna see how we can integrate AI tools such as OpenAI into our terminal like Kali Linux terminal that will understand your commands, helps automate tasks, and even assist ethical hacking. Imagine having an AI assistant right inside your terminal, capable of generating commands, explaining outputs, and making your penetration testing experience smarter and faster. So let's get started. Wait, before dive into the actual content of this video, here is a quick disclaimer for you. This video is only for educational purposes only. All contents are provided in this video is only meant for educational purposes. If you use the information provided in this video for any unauthorized or illegal purpose, then the content creator of this video will not gonna responsible for this, or this channel will not gonna responsible for your activity. So keep it in a limited environment or do it ethically. So the AI tool which I'm gonna introduce in this video is TGPT. That is basically the full form of the TGPT is Terminal GPT. This is an AI-powered tool that integrates ChatGPT directly into your Kali Linux terminal or your any Linux terminal. It allows you to ask hacking-related queries, generate complex bash scripts, automate recon, and more. All of it within your shell. Think of it as having ChatGPT right installed on your command line basically. But here is the twist part that AI tools has its own limitation and restrictions. So you cannot ask directly any hacking related queries or like to generate some kind of payload or to exploit some services. So there is a limitation of the AI tool. So only use it for your educational purposes or to learning purposes only. Let us move to our terminal. As you can see, I'm currently on my Kali Linux machine and here it is my terminal. So let us see the installation process of the TGPT, how you can install TGPT on your terminal. So to install TGPT, first you need to give the command sudo apt update. In order to install the TGPT on your terminal, you need to update your Kali Linux repository first. So you need to hit enter, and I am hitting my password, and it will take some time depending on your internet connection. So I am letting it stop. That's because I already have did that, so I don't need to do it again. So after running this command, after updating your Kali Linux, you need to upgrade it. So you need to upgrade it like this. You can upgrade your Kali Linux, all your softwares. So you need to press Y and then hit enter, and it will start the upgradation process. It can also take several times depending on your internet connectivity or internet speed. So currently I am quitting it. You can do it. And after the update and upgrade process, you need to give the command of the actual GitHub repository where we are going to install the TGPT on our terminal. See on the screen, this is the full URL path of the GitHub repository that you have to copy on your terminal in order to install the TGPT on your terminal. So you can see this is the official GitHub page of the TGPT. Hit enter, and Okay, so I already have installed the TGPT on my terminal, so it's saying that already exists. But in your case, you need to install it after installation of the TGPT repository. When you have cloned the repository into a directory, then you need to press ls, and you need to find where the TGPT directory is. In my case, here it is. So I am going inside the TGPT directory. As you can see, this is I'm currently now my TGPT directory. So in order to install the TGPT on your terminal, again you need to give a command which is sudo, then bash install, then you need to hit enter, and after that the downloadation process will be started, and it will also take several seconds, so just wait. So in my case, I already have installed, so I am just quitting it. So after the installation process, the TGPT is now compatible to run. As you can see, this is the TGPT binary which has already been set on my bin path, so I can run it from anywhere. If you want to see where the binary is, then you can type the command which, then TGPT, and then you can see this is under my user local bin directory, so I can run it from anywhere. Let me show you the help manual of the TGPT, where you can easily understand how to use the TGPT on your terminal. So to see the help manual, you need to give the flag -h and then hit enter, and you can see this is the help manual of the TGPT. And after scrolling it, at the bottom you can see the use of how you can use, for example, the TGPT, and you can include your query inside a double quote basically, then it will give you the response. And also you can include these kinds of flags to further use case. Let me just show you a basic example how you can do that. For example, TGPT, then I will use the double quote, and I will use for example, which is the largest country in the world, and hit enter, and you can see this is loading. But make sure during the use of TGPT you need to be connected with the internet. That's how it works. You can see that my internet connection is alive, so it can depend on your internet speed. It's currently slow, as because my internet connection speed is very slow here, so that's why it is giving very slow response. But in your case, it might generate a very quick response according to your but always remember that it's not the local ChatGPT, or it's not the local AI bot. You need to be connected with the internet, so that's how it works. So see, now this has given me the response. You can see the Russia is the largest country in the world. So this is how it works. You can see all the detailed response like ChatGPT. You can see the key point of consideration, all the format like ChatGPT work it is like same as the ChatGPT, or it is also a powerful AI tool. It can also help with your day-to-day hacking tasks, such as, for example, let me just give you another example by which you can understand. If I ask the TGPT like how XSS work, and then you can see this is the okay. So this is like the response of the TGPT. I understand you are asking about XSS code site scripting. You can see some little much description about XSS, and I can give you the another example. For example, TGPT, and then how SQLi vulnerability arises. Then you can see this is the detailed output of the TGPT, where it has described the how the SQL injection vulnerability arises, the prevention method, including the common cause of SQL injection vulnerabilities, the secure version of the SQL, example vulnerable code. You can see additional best practices. It's like the ChatGPT, as you can see. it's giving a quite familiar response like the ChatGPT. To generate code from the TGPT, for example, to generate a code, you need to give the -c option, and then you need to give the description of your code, or how you want to be generated of your code, how you want to generate the code according to your requirement. You need to specify here. For example, I will here write a Python code to generate factorial of a number, and then you have to wait, and let's see. This is the output of the TGPT, where it has returned the output how we can generate a factorial of a number using Python. So I can give you the another example. For example, TGPT-c, and then inside the double quote you need to give the description of your program, what you need to generate from the TGPT. For example, write a okay, let's generate a Java code, Java program to illustrate inheritance, and let's wait. You can see this is the Java code, so it can generate all programming language code like ChatGPT. It's very powerful, so you can use it. Another cool feature of TGPT is you can very much compare it with the ChatGPT. Like, it has a prompt option. For example, TGPT then -i, it is the interactive mode basically. So this is the your type bar, where you can type for example, hello. Then you can see the response of the bot. It's saying that, hello, how can I assist you with your programming like task. So it is basically designed for the programming like task, but you can also use it for your hacking purposes in a legal consideration. For example, I want to write a shell script. Then if I hit enter, then you can see the bot is responding. So this is how this is an interactive mode, where you can interact directly with the TGPT without any interference like previous. So it is very simple. So to top it, you need to press the Control-C, then it will be exit. So also there is another cool feature of the TGPT, and that is you can execute shell commands, or you can execute the system commands by using TGPT if you don't know how to use it. For example, if I need to shut down my laptop, so I don't need the command to shut down my laptop. In this case, I can use the help of AI. For example, -s option will allow me to execute shell command directly on my or execute the system command directly on my system. So that I need to give the double quote, and under the double quote I need to give whatever the requirement of mine. So shut down my laptop, then hit enter. Then it will ask you then it will basically pop up a prompt for yes or no to execute the shell command or no. If you don't need it, then you can select N, but I need it, so I'm selecting yes and hit enter, and you can see my Kali Linux will shutting down. So this is how it works, and this is how it powerful. Do more powerful tasks using TGPT, you can include an API key. You can bind an API key with the TGPT. Then it will also be able to generate images from text. It's similar like DAL AI. So it's also a very powerful feature of the TGPT. You can include multiple platforms API keys, such as OpenAI, Ollama, and Blackbox AI, whatever you want. If you have a premium feature or premium purchase or premium subscription of any OpenAI account, so you can include the API key here, and it will give the response more smartly. all about the AI powered hacking terminal. And remember, this tool is for ethical hacking and learning purposes only. Use it responsibly and never target systems without permissions. And that's how you can turn your Kali Linux terminal into a AI powered hacking assistant. Smash the like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more hacking content. Comment below with AI powered hacking tool we want my next video. So I'll see you in the next video. Hackers, stay safe and stay ethical. Keep hacking, keep. Till then, take care and goodbye.